So guys, the project as I said for this weekend is all this to transform to the raised bed. So last week, as I mentioned, I put this on to repress the grass a little bit, and we removed this wood. I bought some boarding, the same like this one, and we try to start from that end all the way, and inside we will do the lasagna system. I will cut the grass. I have some branches to use and some compost. We will lay everything. Then I will use my grow bags from last year. I will tip them, lay them down, and I have some compost coming as well, a couple bags, just to make sure that we have a good level. As well, we will be using the eggshells for the slow release of calcium and potassium in these specific raised beds, because in this bed we will have tomatoes, peppers, aubergine, and of course there will be basil and marigolds and some another beets, maybe carrots as well, maybe other flowers. The idea is to create the polyculture system, and the calcium from the eggshells is slow release, and we give a good boost to the vegetables, specifically those vegetables growing in this raised bed. So here will be tomatoes, the climbing tomatoes, and from this onwards we try to do maybe a few more climbing tomatoes, bushy tomatoes, and peppers and aubergines. I've done peppers and aubergine last year in the pots, not much success. We had some fruit, but the plants wasn't tall at all, maybe like 1.5 foot. More research was done this winter, and if I do this well, the plants even can grow up to 2 foot, maybe 3 foot tall, and give us lots of vegetables and lots of fruit at the same time. So yeah, that's the idea, and we shall see how this will go. Alright, let me grab my tools and sort this out very quickly today or tomorrow. We shall see. The weather is picking up. The family wants to go for the bike ride, which takes about 3 hours, because we will do about 20 miles, but it's good for us. So the project that will be probably today and tomorrow, to make sure that it's ready for tomatoes, which they will be planted in about 5 to 6 weeks. They're already growing, they're already about 1 inch tall, but I want to make sure that I'm ahead with everything, to make sure everything is ready, so there is a less work and less stress later on in the year. As you can see, I have a little helper. Of course. Here we go. So guys, just roughly, as you can see, rough structure. It's not a beauty content, so we are right. So I measure this and between 51 to 54 length, because Yes, I know. Yes, I know. You wanna help. Here we go. Go and fetch. So yeah, 51 from the fence to the board. 51 to 55. Again, the fence goes slightly this way. So what I'm trying to do, I have those planks to support, and we try to do between 51 to 53-ish. Of course, no, sausage. So this is just the ordinary board for patio. This is just ordinary 2x1. Okay, fetching game. And we will cut them, put them together all the way, then cut the smaller pieces just to match and the ends. So this is like a closure. I will add some pieces to join them, and some small, probably like 1x1, that will be here. Put them in the ground just to give a better structure to those wood planks, yeah. And then that's it. It's just simple as that. Few screws and job done. So let me carry on with this, and that will be hopefully done in next half an hour, maybe more. Depends how much fetching I need to do. No. Okay, so more or less screw and screw. There's no structure, but I need to dig out slightly this to make this a little bit flatter, you know. So everything will be slightly in the better shape. Definitely on this one. looking good. Just to give a bit better structure to the whole bed. Now I need to finish this corner, so I need to measure, cut and cut. Probably need maybe another 4 or 5 of those, just to make sure that everything is nice and strong. Okay, so straight line-ish, and this is my sort of non-perfect perfect corner. So what we need to do now is just join these two together and then put one in the ground here, but this one I will use to join these two together, so that will give a better structure, and then that corner will be done and dusted. And then we do another corner, and this little puppy just want me to throw and fetch. Go get it, come on, go and get it. Yeah, I've thrown about 25 million times already. So yeah, let me finish this corner and then we jump on another side. Big screws, this goes here, and then one of those goes here. As you can see, I'm using a lot of different cords, different offcuts. Just it will be buried anyway, nobody will see it. And always try to utilize what you have as well. You know, other bigger pieces of wood, but I just don't want to waste it on this. No, except those nice long boards. Alright, so what we do first is this one goes here. So let's grab that. This one. And then this one is here. Now this and this goes together. One down. Okay, let's give it tap, 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 tap. Okay, and one more here. And here we go, steady Eddie. Now this one. Let's go. Concrete. There's a concrete box here. No concrete. Okay. Short one. Here. Maybe. That's better. So, perfect imperfection. You can see his voice actually is holding well. But when we put the soil and everything else, he will be holding even better. You know, the soil will be up to this level. Maybe slightly slopey. I don't want too much on my neighbor side. But I know there will be at least 5 inches of soil across, and you know the roots will find a way and they will go through and everything else. So let's go and organize the other side. And we're nearly there. So yeah. Here we go. Yes, I know, Kun. I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. Yes, I know. You just wanna help. You're just coming for cuddles. Oh, I know. Yes, because you're a cuddle. You're a cuddle doggy. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. You wanna be in camera? You wanna be in the camera? Do you? Do you, my little helper? You wanna help always with everything. Alright, so what we do now, I think here. No, because I can't do it. Screw don't go anywhere. Maybe here. Okay, that's okay. And you know what? I will put this one here, just as a support. You know. Missed. I fucking missed. Sorry. Gotcha. And then this one goes here. Okay. Is it perfect? Okay, so sun is out, as you can see. Beautiful. Is it finished, raised bed? Yeah, I think so. Is it perfect? Definitely it's perfect. In any angle, you know, when we put the soil, it will be all good. So have a look. Okay, corner, one, and now let's go all the way. Put some grass already, just to give a structure. Of course, those wood will disappear. I don't need that here, and all the way there. So it's looking good. So those planks, They're 2.4 meters and I have 3 of them, so that's 7.2. It's about 8 meters long by half meter wide, so about 4 square meters. Yeah, and we will try to grow as much vegetables as we can here. Yeah, so let me tidy up now all this, and then jump on the grass, cut the grass. But I think the girl's coming back from the shopping, so I think I need to organize some breakfast because it's brunch, breakfast brunch, 11 o'clock brunch. So yeah, I need to organize that, then cut the grass, or cut the grass later, or tomorrow, I don't know. No, they're coming back from the shop. That means my time is limited now because they always want to do something. So yeah, but as you can see, done and dusted, and just fill it up. I will be buying some probably compost bags in next couple of weeks just to do a nice top layer. And yeah, well, let's stay positive and let's do that. Stay tuned. So, at the moment this is it. I need to cut the grass later, today or tomorrow. Use some water grow bags. When there was last year, now we have a nice bed. Cut the grass this week. Put some probably empty those grow bags as well. In 2 weeks we cut another layer of grass. We'll have another side. Probably we need to buy, I don't know. I don't want to buy too much soil. So I'm hoping like 50 liters per bag, maybe 6, maybe 8, I don't know. They actually deeper than I thought because I bought this 144 millimeters, so 14.5 centimeters almost. There was a 12 centimeters or 120 millimeters. I went for the thicker, more durable, higher, so more soil. So yeah, and again, I was hoping it would be less soil, would be more soil. But anyway, what's good about this as well, the gap between one raised bed and another raised bed is about 55 centimeters. My lawnmower is 39 centimeters wide, so we go pretty smoothly between. And at the same time, there was lots of slags there last year because they hide under grow bags and everything else. So I'm hoping I will reduce the slags as well this year, and definitely less watering. Definitely, because I did water them like every 2 days. Depends on the time of the summer, yeah. Sometimes I water them once a week, like May, April, and then September. But June, maybe every 3 days. But July and August last year was quite sunny, so we did water them a little bit more often. And with that, with mulching, layer of marigolds and basil and some other flowers, I think we don't have to water as often. Maybe I'm hoping it's once a week, even should half an hour water. Alright guys, let me go and organize some brunch. But the biggest task for the weekend is done.